Hi guys! So look at this big 32-inch balloon. I used my airbrush to fill it up because let's face it, who wants to sit there and blow up a giant balloon? But I thought, okay, so if I use this giant 32-inch balloon and an 18 by 34 canvas, maybe I could get like those big swishy balloon smash patterns. So there's a 32-inch balloon and then a regular size balloon you can see. But what actually ended up happening is that the surface tension of the balloon just took away a copious amount of paint. However, I think I figured out how to get around this, and I will show you in part 2 of this video. So this is part 1 and part 2 will be coming out later tonight. The colors were all mixed with a dash of this and a dash of that, so I can't tell you exactly what they are. But this is more about sharing the method that I used to achieve this painting. These paintings take a lot of paint because the canvas is so much bigger, and I would appreciate any support you can give me. If you'd like to support my channel, there is a link to my PayPal in my description box, and I just want to keep making more art videos for you. Thank you so much. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.